Sending money through Remitly is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer funds quickly and securely. Follow these steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Remitly website or download the app. Click on Sign Up and provide the required information, including your email address, phone number, and a secure password. Verify your account through the email or SMS confirmation. Step 2. Choose your transfer method. Once logged in, select the type of transfer you want to make. You can choose between options like bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. Each option may have different fees and delivery times, so review them carefully. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's information, including their name, phone number, and the country they are in. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any delays in the transfer. Step 4. Specify the amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Choose payment method and send. Select your payment method, which could be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. After confirming all details, click on Send Money to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email or notification with the transaction details. Once you have completed these steps, your money will be on its way to the recipient. Always check the status of your transfer in the app or website for updates.